high of 77 degrees and a low of 66 degrees.
Are you wearing my black tee? Yeah, you wearing my black tee? Yeah, and when I'm gone, I'ma what you need. So you put it on before I leave. Ooh, you wearing my black tee? Yeah, you see.
Yes, sir, man. What they do, man? It's your boy, TJ Too Smooth, Treasure One. And this morning we are headed down to our favorite orthodontic spot, Garcia Orthodontics, man. Yes, can I please get a small pink velvet iced macchiato? This is, quite frankly, the worst pink velvet macchiato I've ever fucking had. This is horrible. They're usually way better than this. I tried to go to the Dunkin' where the black folk at, and these Negroes fucked my drink up. They put way too much syrup at the bottom. Why is there syrup at the bottom? This looks like chocolate mixed in there with the coffee. Anyway, let's make it down there, man. I'll talk to y'all in a second.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all, we made it, man. We made it all the way down here to Miami, gang. Oh my God, Miami. Man, when I tell you the traffic was so ugly coming down here, I hate that standstill traffic on the highway, bro. Like, that shit is so irritating. Cause it's like, when is this shit gonna clear up? All I could see for 20 fucking cars straight is just red lights and people stopped. Like, ugh, hate that. But we made it. Now, I don't know, bro. I don't know what color I should fucking get. You know what I'm saying? I think I did every color except for like gray, white, or gold. I don't think I've done gold yet. Yeah, I'm 30 minutes early actually. So I got time to just kind of kick it a little bit. Anywho, see y'all inside, gang.
Yeah. All of my bitches got pretty faces, and she just let me hit. She a cute Jamaican. In the mirror, I see greatness in the making. In the mirror, I see real, I'm never faking it. She just let me hit, yeah, I need percussion. I just hit me a lick, I don't know you nothing. Getting kiki, she know that I'm in it. At Tweety Bird, yeah, taught me a putty tag. I might pay me a bitch like I'm Pootie Tang. I said, you getting rich, nigga, do your thing. You had money, I did it, you called it lame. I got money, so now I treat you the same. And I'm on a mission, and it's well planned. Fear God on me, yeah, man. Run it up like 12 bands, and I fear God, not near man. She said that she want me, I know that she need me. She said that she love me, she never gonna leave me. The booty is fat and the pussy is juicy. I know she been eating and pimping it easy. All in, I don't play with these niggas. Wanna knee down, pray for these niggas. I ain't knowing what to say to these niggas. Kill it all, pick it all up.
You know, I was wondering if I can get some of these like replaced, because all the gold has gotten taken off of it. Is that possible?
Huh?
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Trippin', tell him try not to call. We shitting on him and we not in the stall.
It's like silver.
Oh, the brackets.
And that's like gold.
Oh, yeah,
and then
yeah,
some of
I
it's just
see.
like rubbed off.
Oh, no.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
No what?
Not
You can't-
possible.
Oh,
Today? No.
sorry.
Open.
Then she just let me hit, she a cute Jamaican. In the mirror, I see greatness in the making. In the mirror, I see real, I'm never faking it. She just let me hit, yeah, I need percussion. I just hit me a lick, I don't know you nothing. Getting kinky, she know that I'm in it. At Tweety.
Freedom.
Hit me a bitch like I'm Pootie Tang. I said, you getting rich, nigga, do your thing. You had money, I didn't, you called it lame. I got money, so now I treat you the same. When I'm on a mission and it's well planned. Fear God on me, yeah, man. Run it up like 12 bands, and I fear God, not near man.
I can't wait till I don't have to do this shit anymore. I'm like, at first this was like a real cool process, but like I'm over this shit. Bro, I'm ready to take these shits off. God, I'm so done with this process. Check. What clean now? Big bright pearly whites. It's always refreshing to brush my teeth without that bracket on. Man, when I say like starting off, this shit was just like a fun process. It was hella cool. But now I'm like over this shit, bro. I'm ready to get these shits off and move on with my teeth journey, man. I don't want to get You know what I'm saying? No veneers or anything like that, but I want to put my grill on. And I just want to be able to wake up and not have, you know, rubber bands and my jaw hurting and shit and having to drive all the way down here 2 fucking hours. I'm so done with this, but anywho, man, let's get back inside. I don't even know what color I want to do today. You know what I'm saying? I might do like green like the whip. You know what I'm saying? Red for Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know, man. Anyway, I'm going back in here. Let's go. Cuban coffee. Let's do it. Woo! Fire. I got hella colors this time. I got, damn, which one should I choose, bro? I got orange, yellow. I don't know, cuz. I think I'm gonna do orange. I ain't gonna lie, something bright as fuck. Orange or yellow or teal or something.
Today, check a step down over 32 y step up lower 22.
Okay, excellent. Let's see. Tilt your head all the way back forward, baby.
Y step in number 8.
This is Dr. G here in the house.
Hey, what's up, Dr. G?
Having a blast here with my good friend Trevor.
Yes, sir. Back at it again.
Yes, yes. Awesome. Let's get going.
Okay, look.
Wait a minute.
Happy Valentine's Day. All right, y'all. Damn, that red is crazy. That shit popping. I got the red for Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? Happy Valentine's Day to all of the ladies out there with braces. But yeah, red is popping. I was gonna get white, but you know, why not do it for the season? You know, why not do it for the season, man? Anyway, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trader One. Man, I think they said I got like 6 months left, and he wants to see some like gradual. He wants the shit pulled back further. You know what I'm saying? Tighter, whatever, man. Like I'm just about done with this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Mentally, I'm just like fried, bro. I'm like, I do not feel like having braces on no more, bro. I'm tired of this fucking process. Just take them off. I'm happy with the way they are now. I'm happy with it is. I set off somebody's car alarm. Anyway, man, I'm about to go get myself something to eat and get it back up this road, bro. It's a fucking treacherous ride coming from Doral all the way back to Palm Beach. So I'm gonna hop on that motherfucking road and get it in. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trade. You want to subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video, share it with somebody who don't have gold braces and who's thinking about getting gold braces. I even asked the lady, I was like, hey, could I swap some of these brackets out because they starting to fade a little bit? She was like, no, not today. So anywho, it's your boy, man, TJ Too Smooth Trader One. Like the video, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gone.
Baby, I can pop out right now, pull my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros, no. All my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed at all. Real talking stick, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.